Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today we'll be trading the bull market index, matches, digits differ, using some few numbers right there, which I've pasted here as is 74, 23, 58, 46. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng. The boat is automated and it trades binary options on deriv and binary.com interface, and you can see some of the results of the boat right here. The 6.0 is out already, and it's still very effective. The boat is just 9.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng to order the boat. And for the PIPSREAPER boat as well, this is the second boat. It's just 7.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER.technologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and you can see some of the results right here. And you can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options on the other page. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the links again to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Just check the video description. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats right there. And this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. So here are the links to subscribe to all our channels. We have 3 channels. Subscribe to all the channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. So as stated earlier, we'll be trading the bull market index, matches differ, and we are using the deriv interface, and we'll be placing 4 trades. So once you've logged into your deriv account, you change this to smart trader. Then you click on you choose the bull market. You click on bull market. Then you go to digits. You click on matches / differs. Then the first number we'll be using, we've already used 74. We'll be using 23. So the tick will be 2, and the last prediction will be 3. So then we are going to be clicking on the differ. So as you can see, we want that trade as the first trade, so we'll go for the second number. Actually, you're supposed to follow this sequence, but we've used 74 already. So our next number is 58. So the tick will be 5. Then the last prediction will be 8. So then we click on purchase right there. So as you can see, we want that trade, we want that second trade right there. So our last peak will be 46. So when you are starting, you start with 74, 23, 58, and 46. So our last peak here, the tick is 4, and the last prediction is 6. So then we click on purchase right there. So you can see we won all the trades. So make sure you follow the numbers as stated here: 7, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, 4, 6. Those are the numbers. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Remember, the cryptocurrency trading videos, the sequences is still on. I'll be releasing more videos on that as well. Just subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.